Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Verasity. Verasity is still moving inside this symmetrical triangle, and in today's video we will once again take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all let me to start with this weekly time frame. And here we can see we have some major support and resistance levels I'm showing you here. And here we have our key support at $0.0074. We tested this support here back in July 2021, and after this big rally we are again dropped at this support. We had a long spike, but very soon we are recovered back and still moving above this support. After this support we have the next resistance at 1 cent, and it has been breaking as a resistance here, and as a support here, and as a support here as well. And after that we will have the next resistance here at 1.8 cents. You can see it has been breaking as a resistance here and as a support, and once we will reach there, then it can again turn into a resistance. Then we will have the next resistance at 3 cents. It has been breaking as a resistance here, and as a support here from August 2021 to December 2021. And before that it was breaking as a support here back in April 2021. And after that we will have the next resistance at 5.5 cents, and it has been breaking as a resistance here, and our final resistance will be here at 8.7 cents. Now let's take a look at the stochastic. Then we can see that the stochastic is completely oversold, and this is the second dip of stochastic in this oversold zone. Previously we went here in the oversold zone, we had a small rally and then again dropped down, and stochastic has again entered the oversold zone. So far the move up to the overbought zone is still due, and after this second dip, if it will turn bullish from here, then there will be a very high probability that we will see a very big rally from here, and stochastic will also enter the overbought zone. Like previously it was enter oversold zone here, and after a big rally it was entered the overbought zone, and before that back here in November 2020 it was entered the oversold zone here, and when it turned bullish again entered the overbought zone, and before that it was in the oversold zone here in the May 2020. And you can see even at that time we had a big rally and it was entered the overbought zone. So this time it just entered the oversold zone here. For several weeks it has been moving inside this oversold zone, and after a small move it is again having a second dip inside this oversold zone, and this time it will if it will turn bullish, then I'm expecting that it will reach the overbought zone, and from there we can expect the next dip. Now let's take a look at this very small time frame on the 4-hour time frame chart. Then here the situation is getting very excited now. We can see we are at the very end of this triangle, and it can break out or break down at any time. You can see the movement is very squeezed, and there is no much space inside this triangle to move more deeper inside this triangle. So at any time we can expect a breakout or breakdown. I'm expecting a breakout from here, because already it has tested a very strong and key support here, and it has also tested the support of the previous channel as well. If you remember my previous videos on Verasity, then I've been showing you this previous channel that was started here back in November 2021, and here we had the resistance. This was the support and this was the resistance. Let me show you this channel on the daily time frame, and we can see it was moving inside this long down channel. And here we had a breakout, and after the breakout we had a short rally, but rejected by this 3 cents resistance, again moved down and almost tested the support of this previous channel. And after testing this support of the previous channel, we are again outside the resistance of the channel. Therefore I'm expecting that it is going to break out this resistance of the triangle. Now at the same time It has also formed this down channel as well on the daily time frame chart, and it is moving above the resistance of this down channel. First of all, let me to show you the target for this triangle. That will be approximately here at 1.3 cents. And if we will have a breakdown, then it is showing a move to the downside up to a half cent, 5 cents. Sorry, half cents, not 5 cents. Now, if we copy this trend line from here and paste it here at this channel, then we can see it is also showing us the projection even beyond the resistance of the channel. And the target for this down channel will be here approximately at 3 cents. There we also have a very strong resistance. Previously we were rejected, and after this rejection we had this very extreme sell-off. So next few hours are again, even few movements are very important for Verasity, as we are reached at the end of the very end of this triangle, and now we can expect a breakout. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I shared. Take care. Goodbye.